Hello, now we will see how to solve the assignment problem. In operation research, transportation problem and assignment problem are very important for maximization of gain or for minimization of cost. Now in this case of assignment problem, we will be using Hungarian method, also known as Flood's method. The algorithm for this Hungarian method is like this. In step 1, check the problem matrix or the cost matrix whether it is balanced or unbalanced. If it is unbalanced, then we should make it a balanced problem, that means by adding a row or a column. In step 2, we should go for row reduction, that means subtraction of smallest row element from corresponding row, also known as row opportunity cost matrix, ROC. In step number 3, go for column reduction, that means subtraction of smallest column element from corresponding column. We will get column opportunity cost matrix, COCM. Now in step number 4, our objective is to draw minimum number of lines to cover all the zeros in a matrix. Now in this step, first of all scan the row and try to find the single zero, only one zero in a particular row. Put a square mark on it and you have to draw a vertical line passing through that square. If you found more than one zero, just skip that row. Now in case of column, first similarly check for 1 0. If you found 1 0, just put a square mark on it and draw a horizontal line passing through that square. Now if you found more than 1 0 in a column, just skip that column. Now in step number 5, you have to check whether the number of lines or squares marked is equal to the order of matrix or the number of rows. Then we can see that yes, optimality is reached. If not, then you go to step number 6. Now in step number 6, we'll be identifying the smallest element in the whole matrix which is not covered by lines. We have to subtract this element from all not covered elements and we have to add this element at the intersection of the lines. Leave other elements as it is. Now after this, go to step number 4 as usual, that means to draw minimum number of lines to cover all the zeros. If you found that minimum number of lines or the squares that we have drawn is equal to the number of rows or the order of matrix, then our last objective is to find the optimal solution. Just write down the assignment result based upon cost minimization or time minimization, and just keep in mind that we have to cover all the zeros. Now this we will see in one example.